This is what it's doing. The actuator on a 07 LS 460. Just keeps cycling. Here's the inside, and gotta take off this stuff to peel back the carpet. Couple bolts there, little plastic things, and then should be able to get in here where the actuator is. Got that one out with this tool.
Using the flat end,
Yeah,
pushing in.
expansion little,
Metal.
they pop in.
Yeah.
So now we'll try to get these other pieces off. Panel puller tool I got with the actuators, plus I got the rebuilt on eBay. And I did get one out and working on this one. Still don't have this off. Okay, this is the worst part. We got one part down. There's a little clip there on this trunk lever, and we're trying to get the other side down for the carpet. There's the clips.
That you gotta push in on to get them to release.
One, how many? 3?
4. One on each side.
Was it just like this? No, it was like this.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Yep.
So as I take it down, you can see there's a clip here, 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 and here. And we finally got this edge down, and then I moved the tool around.
Yep.
But it took a lot of force. Thankfully it didn't break. So then we got this light down, that out. We got these 2 plastic out, this button out. But now I'm not sure if anything else is holding it. I think it just comes around this little handle. Oh, took the light out.
We don't need to have it on.
So do you see anything else holding it?
I don't know, unless this. No, I don't think
I think it'll peel around there. And there's the actuator. We can see it here. That's the part I got.
Yeah.
Right there. So you can start to see in there if you get that down. There's a blue snap in here. See that blue? So we're gonna try to pop it down. There.
Oh, that popped right out.
Nice.
So that's.
And then this side there's one too.
That one didn't.
That one stayed in, but I think we can pop it out.
Yeah.
Well, either way. Okay, now you can see the actuator right there.
Here's another one gonna pop out right there.
Oh.
See it?
Good to know.
Right
Yep.
in here. And
Okay. There.
There it is.
So now it should bend around that handle, I think. You leave that. That's just a grab handle. Oh yeah. Wow. So here it is.
Nice.
And looks like a bolt here, here, and wasn't it 3 of them?
He said 3. Okay, so there, and it should be. Was it kind of more in the middle, like right up here?
Looks like 3.
So
there it is. This is what it looks like with the carpet pulled down. So you got one blue snap thing here.
There was one.
One here, one here. Oh, and here. Sorry, here and here. Plus then, this is what we took off around this handle. This is the light unplugged. This goes around here.
Yep.
And this is just this light thing over here. You don't have to take that off, but so that's what we got. And there's the actuator. The first bolt right by this round thing.
Right. Yeah.
9mm socket. Second bolt's right over this side. There's the second one.
Okay.
Third is right back by that
Silver
part. All 9mm. Okay, we just took the third bolt out of the actuator LS 460. They were all 10mm bolt. So here it is. There. I don't know. That's what people say cracks. See that crack in the plastic? I'm not sure if that's what's wrong.
Oh, right
there. Or if that's normal.
Yeah.
But that's when people were saying it just spins. It does look a little cracked. Here's the rebuilt one I got on Actuators Plus on eBay, and see, I think they maybe repair this plastic piece.
Yeah.
Because this one looks okay. Mine, the old one, looks like it has a small crack right there. See that?
Yep.
But it's hard to believe that could do it.
Well,
but that's where some of the guys talked about doing a key ring on here to hold it.
I don't know how that would work.
Or put a screw through there. So that's...
Well, you see, that's what they've done. Put a screw through there.
Oh, yeah.
And bolted the...
That's the new one. This is the one in the car. Oh, 10mm.
Yeah.
They're all 10mm.
Well, it looks like we just got to unhook from right here.
Yeah.
By pushing this down.
Okay.
And there, that's released. And then unplugging up here.
Don't we have to then unhook that eventually too?
Oh, yeah.
But you can leave it for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the old one, this piece of metal is showing, and on the new one, there's no, it's apparently underneath here. So
yeah.
Could be why.
Unless it's just in a different position, but...
Well, it could be.
They look like they're resting the same.
Yeah.
There's those cracks I saw. So we're gonna try putting the new one in. Here's what it looks like with it out. Okay, here's the part we weren't sure putting it back, but I think that little lever goes right behind, below the metal piece with that ball for your emergency trunk release.
Yeah.
So we just put it back in, the refurbished one from eBay. So now we have the liner out and the new part back in. Oh, mine when we connected, the pirate started honking because the doors were locked. So I hit unlock and the car alarm quit because it thought we got in the trunk without a key. So now that light's on. We'll try closing it, I guess, and see if it works. See, the button doesn't seem to work.
Okay. And we didn't disconnect anything, so.
That's why I'm wondering if that motor went. Okay, so after we reconnected the new actuator with the battery on, and then with the battery connected, and then we hit the automatic trunk close button and we just hear it clicking. So we disconnected the battery for 4 or 5 minutes, and then I went back and tried the automatic button, and the key button didn't work, but the one right under the trunk worked. Hooray! So then the trunk did open, and now the buttons are working. But before, we were hitting this button and just hearing a clicking in the motor area. So disconnecting the battery 4 or 5 minutes and then reconnecting it seemed to have solved it. And then just for reference, this is the one we took out, Denso. And it's, we could see the hairline fracture there and there. And I got a rebuilt one from Actuators Plus on eBay, and they sent me that tool with it. So thanks, Actuator Plus, and all the people who made the helpful videos on how to fix this, the Lexus LS 460 trunk lock actuator.